In this video, my van breaks down. I slide down a 175-meter dam, break my ass, and continue my trip up along the east coast of Australia. I was about to wake up in my van in Byron Bay, Australia, after having driven up the coast from Sydney. My van was broken and I had to fix it by myself.
I just woke up and I'm about to go to the mechanic.
The mechanic didn't want to help me. I was about to replace the spark plugs in my engine.
I actually don't know if this is gonna work, but I really hope it will. Otherwise, I might have to dump the van.
I've never done it before.
I was suspecting that my spark plugs were bad. The symptoms of bad spark plugs are trouble starting, slow acceleration, rough idle, and engine misfiring. I removed all the old spark plugs and installed new ones. It only cost me $27. My new spark plugs were in place. Now it was time to start the car.
The mechanic told me that my car would never start again. Stupid mechanic I took my car to last week only cleaned my spark plugs, and now I replaced them and it started immediately and runs perfect. That's why I'm wearing my Thug Life glasses that you can buy from our website.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Snoop Dogg!
My van was working again, so I drove to the beach to see some cool stuff underwater. The water was clean, but the reef was not a great success.
I just went swimming to celebrate that I fixed my van and it runs perfect. Now I am heading to the Gold Coast. Gold Coast. Gotta fill up some gas again. I'm really happy that my car starts right away now and it's going really well. Heading up to the Gold Coast. My money is ticking away. I gotta go sailing instead so I don't have to pay for gas. $56 for gas, that's not good. I'm on the highway and my van runs like a fucking champ. Like a fucking champ. Gold Coast, here I come. I tried to learn how to rap. I'm on the highway, I don't even need a map. I tried to learn how to rap. I'm on the highway, I don't even need a map. Actually, I decided to go somewhere else instead. I'm gonna do something stupid now, I think.
This is the Clary Hall Dam, located in the very north part of the state of New South Wales in Australia. It's 43 meters high and 175 meters long.
Here we have the Clary Hall Dam. And I want to try to slide on it on a piece of plastic that I have on my box in my van. Here at the dam, this is what I'm gonna slide on. I don't know if it's gonna be a great success, but we'll see.
I was now walking up the Clary Hall Dam. I wanted to slide all the way from the top. I was sliding down the slope really quickly.
Maybe there's a crocodile in here. Walking back from the Clary Hall Dam and everything is broken. Both my flip-flops are broken, my ass is broken. Had scratches all over my ass. Okay, that was pretty fun, but my ass hurts. But now I'm going to the Gold Coast.
I started my drive back through the mountains to make it to the coast.
This is the Burley National Park and it's the beginning of the Gold Coast. I'm going for a hike so I can see what the city looks like from up above. In this area of Australia, you can find two of the most venomous animals in the world, the eastern brown snake and the funnel web spider. This is the beginning of the Gold Coast. Here we have Palm Beach and on the other side, Mermaid Beach.
The The Gold Coast is a coastal city in the Australian state of Queensland, located just 66 kilometers south of the state capital Brisbane. The Gold Coast is Australia's sixth largest city, with a population of 624,000 people.
I'm on my way down to the beach to make some dinner. Got my stove and my pot and some water here on the beach, and I'm gonna make some food on my portable stove. It's a pretty easy and simple life. Guess what I'm making? Pasta. More pasta. Here we have some pasta, chickpeas and tuna. One of my favorite things to eat. If you don't eat carbs, then you will have no energy and you will be tired and you can't do anything.
I parked here for the night. I'm back in my van. I had a pretty good day actually. I went snorkeling, then I drove into the waterfall, and I was sliding on the stone formation, whatever you call that, on my plastic lid. What else did I do? Can't really remember, but it was a great day. Tomorrow I'm gonna go to Gold Coast and check it out, and then maybe some waterfall. We'll see. And I have food for tomorrow that I made. I have a bed for the night. Life is pretty good actually. I don't need anything else. It's the more simple of a life I have, the happier I am actually.
If you like this video, please leave it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.
Please follow me on social media, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.